leverage EDU 8 foreign universities with higher ROI than IITs and IIMs. Overnor's State University, GSU, was established in 1969 as an upper division university, primarily serving community college graduates pursuing baccalaureate degrees. It is dedicated to providing an extraordinary and accessible education that equips students with the knowledge, skills, and confidence to succeed in a global community. Auckland University of Technology. Auckland University of Technology, also known as AUT, was founded as Auckland Technical School in 1895, offering evening classes only. Daytime classes began in 1906, and its name was changed to Auckland Technical College. In 1913, it was renamed Seddon Memorial Technical College. In the early 1960s, Deakin University was founded in 1974 under the Deakin University Act of 1974. It was given its name after Alfred Deakin, who was an Australian Prime Minister. Upon its establishment, it became the fourth university in Victoria and the first university to specialise in distance learning. Deakin University